What if you could make a gasoline generator not only produce electricity, but also recover the waste heat for our homes? That means saving money and make this machine much more sustainable. It brings you also to off-grid living or coming to an emergency situation. In today's video, I'm introducing an exciting project to do just that. Hi, Norbert here, energy engineer, and introducing in video number 75 how to get 200% more energy from 1 liter of fuel by using also its combustion heat. So instead of getting only 2 kilowatts of electricity, you get in addition 4 kilowatts of heat energy, enough to heat up quickly a big room.
What I like in this solution, and it will make the generator much more efficient, is that you use its full power to charge a battery or a portable power station, PPS, in a few hours. In that way you will have silent electricity for the rest of the 24 hours. You can also think of adding the heat to the thermal energy storage of video 71, which is in fact a thermal battery, and then you have also more time flexibility for heating. That would really be a splendid off-grid system. This video 71 had already 32,000 viewers, which is an average result for a YouTube channel of 150,000 subscribers. I thank you very much for the interest in video 71 and will try also with this project overview videos to provide you with reliable thermal energy and electricity in addition.
We will also see in other videos how to make it more silent and safe. This generator produces 2 kilowatts of electricity. But here's the catch. Like all internal combustion engines, it produces even more energy as heat, and we waste it. Everybody, even in winter. My idea: capture that waste heat by leading the hot exhaust gases to a radiator. We can use it to heat a space or even water for practical use. The engine heat is another story. We'll see that. Is this original? No, not for industry. There they call it CHP, combined heat and power, and it has considerable success. For these small generators at home, it is original. It is really hard to see on YouTube how to use them for home heating. And yet, in this way, we can cover with one device at least a part of 2 of your energy bills, electricity and heating, that are really significant on your home budget each month. And with this trick, we pay only the 1 gasoline bill. The big advantage is, however, that it gives us independency. From last videos 73 and 74, we know how important that is. The video is not over yet. I just want to invite you to come more often here and enjoy lower energy bills and security of supply. Yes, SOS. Just by using the creative power of do-it-yourself. The producers out there make nice things and much more refined than the prototypes I show. But they often don't make the things that you want. They are afraid that the big markets will not take it. They need big numbers. So subscribe to Energy Home Do-It-Yourself if you want fun, save money and become more independent. Here's a map. A gasoline generator like this runs at about 30% efficiency. That means roughly 70% of the energy in the fuel becomes heat. For every 1 liter of gasoline, you have nearly 9 kilowatt-hour chemical energy. That is a lower heating value for the scientists. So 2.7 kilowatt-hour of that can become electricity, and 6.2 kilowatt-hour remains as waste heat. That waste heat is divided in nearly equal parts in the very hot exhaust gases and the hot metal parts. This project aims to recover all that heat and put it to good use, so you can't call it waste heat anymore. Now, recovering heat from exhaust gases is not as simple as just connecting a pipe. There are challenges. Exhaust gases are hot, corrosive, and are dangerous if they are not properly vented. carbon monoxide is a real threat. Well, at least I can measure it. That's why this project is not just about efficiency, but also safety. In the next videos, I'll show this generator in action, delivering electricity and beginning to test its heat recovery potential. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about this concept and what would you like to see? Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to dedicate a few weeks to it. And why not subscribe to the channel so that you can stay informed and warm in the winter, even in the case that energy supply is unreliable. Together, we will explore how to make fossil fuel energy systems more sustainable. I wish you good energy and see you on Saturday.